This is RSKsys and Spooman for Risk for Thursday, October 28th, 2010, all times on the Charter Central Standard Time. Today's video is interesting for one reason. This video is the first of many to come that will be placing the emphasis of the trading on our premium reader. The premium reader is pretty interesting. Let me just show you this. If you looked at our videos in the past, you know that a bulk of our strategy settings makes use of stochastics. And we use stochastics on fast ES tick intervals as well as slow SPC intervals, and we use combinations of the overbought oversold zones as well as the slow K crossover from slow D. And we also put the VIX in here for reference to that data feed. But today, as you can see, we are not making use of any stochastics at all. None. All that we're doing is looking at the relationship between the premium and the Spoos and our proprietary calculations on the high and low thresholds. And there's a few other things involved. But we didn't get any trades in the afternoon, nothing at all. No trades. Based on the settings that we have thus far. Now in the morning, and these are the good trades. We set up the trade to be a swing trading system with a maximum profit target of 20 ticks. Okay, I should have showed you that a second ago. Maximum profit target of 20 ticks. Or swing trade, whichever comes first. Now, at the beginning of the morning, we had nothing. On this big run down, we didn't get any signals at all until right here. Now, ultimately, these got stopped out. But by the same token, down here, we started pulling some profits. So these three clusters of trades got stopped out. Then winner, 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 winner. And ultimately, big move up to the first swing trading, second swing trade down to the profit target of 20 ticks for a significant profit for the end of the day. Now, that's without filtering anything else. All right, that's just reading the premium and reading it in only one way. There's more than one way to read it, depending on the circumstances. For example, you see these dots in here. These dots, as we will show you in future editions, will be additional entries. These would be additional long entries. But the way we set it up at the moment, we weren't going to do that. We weren't looking for additional long entries on these other kinds of pullbacks, but they can serve as additional entries for future trading. So we also did not take into consideration any of our retracements. Our retracements were not considered in any portion of the trades that took place here. So all that having been taken into consideration, this did very well. I was a little bit disappointed that we didn't get any trades in the latter part of the morning, nor anything happening in the afternoon. But that's, again, that's strictly based upon how we set this up. And there's some subtle differences in how you can set this up to take advantage of other kinds of premium conditions, which again we'll be showing you in future videos. But we're very excited about this. to have that kind of results without having the use of any stochastics, I think, is profound. So I'm very happy about what was achieved by this initial day of testing with the system. It turned out to be very, very good. So look forward to what's going to happen in the future, because we're going to be coming up with some really hot stuff. We're already hot, but now we're going to even get hotter. So with that thought in mind, we invite you to ask for a demo. Come and visit us, RSKsys.com. And we'll set you up so that you can look at our computers over the web, and we'll do a broadcast, a private broadcast for any traders that want to look into the system. And we usually spend about an hour or more running the system in a live demo. So with that thought in mind, give us a call, comment on our video. This is Rod Kusin and Spooman for Risk.